Hi everyone. So I've come up with a series of short videos in which we will be discussing the controversial questions of Obs and Gynae asked in this November INI-CT. Why this is important? Because with NEET PG coming in 4 months, these are the important questions which can make or break your rank. So let's start with it. Like one question which was asked, which of the following is the virilizing ovarian tumor? Now we know that we have 3 categories of ovarian tumor: epithelial, germ cell and stromal. The stromal ovarian tumors are the one which secrete hormones. So Brenner tumor and carcinoid are out of the question. The confusion was between theca cell tumor and adenoblastoma. So granulosa and theca cells. So these cells are actually the part of ovarian follicle. So that which secrete estrogen hormone. So tumor of theca cell actually secrete high amount of estrogen leading to precocious puberty. It can rarely secrete androgens also, but that is rarely. Similarly, arenoblastomas, whose another name is Sertoli and Leydig cell tumors, which are the cells of testis. So they primarily secrete high amount of androgens, resulting in virilization. They can also rarely secrete estrogen, but their primary effect is virilization, and hence they are called virilizing ovarian tumor. So when specially virilizing ovarian tumors are asked with areноblastoma being in the option, the answer will be areноblastoma, not theca cell tumor.